guapo estás. You're tired, Papa? Hijo de la chingada madre. You're tired, Papa? That's what happened for chasing that. Chasing the fucking, the chipmunks, possums or deers or whatever you're chasing. You like to chase. Uh-oh, you ready for some more? You ready for some more, Papa? You ready for some more, Papa? Uh-oh, here we go again. Smell it. Up. Tired? You're tired? Huh? What you smell? Okay, what is it? What do you smell about? Vamos, let's go. Vámonos, Papa. What? We're not going home. Not yet. So don't get mad at me. We're going that way. Come on. No, you tired? Okay, pues. Cojones, Papa. Ito yung tamaño de foto. Papa. Ay, caboni, güey. Ay, caboni. Nice and fresh, huh? Adios, Papa. Ya me voy. I'm leaving. Bye, Papa. Come on, Papa. You're tired already, huh? On your way. Put it there. I'll put it now, okay? You already ran.